Yuntai Mountain, the beauty of nature in the heart of China. Chinese located in Jiaozuo City, Hunan Province, Yuntai Mountain is one of China's most stunning natural landmarks. It is part of a national geopark and has been awarded the AAAA tourism rating, the highest classification by the China National Tourism Administration. The area is famous for its breathtaking landscapes, featuring towering cliffs, deep valleys, crystal-clear streams, and cascading waterfalls that create a mesmerizing natural scene. One of the highlights of Yuntai Mountain is the Glass Walkway, a thrilling attraction that allows visitors to walk along the edge of the mountain while enjoying panoramic views that seem to stretch endlessly into the horizon. Yuntai Mountain is a paradise for nature lovers, photographers, and adventure seekers, offering a perfect blend of peace, beauty, and excitement.